my realistic people, how are you all doing? Hope you guys are feeling okay. You are feeling better. You are feeling good as always. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing you all the wonderful updates. My realistic people, you know that I told you that I will keep on bringing this update to back because we are not leaving any stone untouched. So yes, so today, my realistic people, I have a wonderful what I want us to watch. I want us to listen to. In fact, and I will be so glad that you will drop your opinion in the comment section, because in this channel we give it back to back, and we bring it live and direct the way it is hot. I know that you guys, from what you are seeing here right now, you've already know what I am going to talk about, and I'm not going to pet any word. I'm going to go straight into all the details, what you need to know, and my own opinion. You know that it is so surprising at times when we bring some there's some persons we say, who told you that? Where is the evidence? Where is the video? Because some persons believe that without the video you cannot use your mouth to say anything. If you come out and say anything, they will tell you, where did you hear it from? Who told you? Who sent you? Who do this? Who do that? So that is why you have seen this today. My realistic people, before I start, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depend on your time zone. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress all the way. So my realistic people, without not wasting much of time, you can see the purpose and you can see the update. Okay, you can see that this is direct from Aloy Ejemako, a wonderful and a strong legal team to His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So I know that some of you can read and some of you have already seen it, but I have to expatiate on it. I have to bring my own opinion on this particular aspect. You guys know that there is someone called Fein. Yes, this is Fein. And if you have been following this channel or you have been watching our videos, time without number, we've said something about him. And if you watch some clip when His Excellency will appear in court, you will always see this guy. Okay, you will always see him. But in all, he has not been given access to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. All the effort that he has put in place to make him to appear in court, like even when the lawyers they are going in, so surprising that they will say, no, you can't see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you can't appear in court, your name is not listed, you are not qualified, and all that. Time without number, more than 5 times, according to the update, that he has reported himself in Nigeria. At times to see him with Fein Ejiofor, like they are also close pally, but in all, he can't visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody, and he can also not enter the courtroom where they preside over the issue or the trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So it is so frustrating if you look at it. And this man is coming all the way from America. So it came to a time that this man got angry, got frustrated, and he released some kind of press release. He released some kind of update that Fein Ejiofor need to step down from the legal team, that Fein Ejiofor is the one that is making him not be able to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that they are playing tricks. Like, I don't really get it. So the matter has been going on and on, and a lot of people were saying things about it. Okay, and truth be told, we don't really know the person that is really sponsoring this man, because coming from America to Nigeria every time deals on a lot of money, spends a lot of money. And I heard some persons from Ipob that said he will never see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that he is not qualified, he is agent, he is sent from the Ipob and all the autopilot and all that. Just suddenly, bish, yesterday, Fein Ejiofor released a kind of wonderful update that I'm so surprised. That is why at times, before you cast stone or before you judge somebody, you make sure you hear from the person. Yes, so hear from the person and get the right source before you take any action. Okay, because at times some issues occurs that we just say the way we just see it, we just say it, but that might not really be the truth. The fact that everybody is going on the same dimension does not mean that the thing that person is doing is right. Okay, there are some persons that are just doing follow. Once they see, they will follow. They don't really have that time to get into details. Okay, so if I just release this, but where I'm going to start from is, Onyendu directed me to announce that Bruce Fein is still a member of his legal team and that I should work with him on certain level. Yeah, I should work with him on certain level because the other place is hidden. So that he should work with him. That is what Nnamdi Kanu directed, that he should work with him. But before now, it's like they just bench him and they put him in a particular place, a tight corner. Let me use that word. They put him in a tight corner. So he is not really able to function, okay? But I really want to say that what about how wish all this while he has been functioning, like he has been doing things. Don't you think that they would have also seen 1 or 2 results? Now that His Excellency said, okay, this person, I know him, you have to work with him, I support, you have to carry him along, no matter what, he's still one of us. So what will you say to this right now? Do you really think that they've already made the man to lose some of his activities that he should have done in Nigeria? Because then the man is so eager like to see Nnamdi Kanu, just like he has some fun for him to sign. But the greatest joy is that Nnamdi Kanu has been one of the kind. Yes, so he has been so spiritual minded, because if you notice some things that happened and some things that he has been saying, they come to pass even after. A lot like that. For him to realize that no, this man cannot just go that way. This man cannot just be benched. This man they cannot just take off his rights or his rank or what he should have been doing from him. Let him come back. He is one of us. That is the spirit of a great leader, honestly. So my realistic people, what do you think? Now that Nnamdi Kanu give the go ahead that they should call him back, what is your take? So that is why I brought it here, because when they said he cannot work with them again and all that, when they said he cannot do a lot of things, he has been relieved of his duty and all that, I still brought it here. Yes, so I talked about it also. So now that Nnamdi Kanu said they should take him back, I still need to come and tell you that the battle line has been changed, the hand of the clock has been changed, the table leg has turned around, that now Nnamdi Kanu also realize or accept that Bruce Fein is one of his legal team. So my realistic people, this is the update that I brought for you, because we can't know it all. I will still keep on updating you as soon as more updates are coming. But before then, just remember that Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court on 8th of March 2022. That is next week. Stay glued to this channel, because I will be bringing you all the latest updates that you need to know. So my realistic people, I choose to leave you here. See you when I see you. And if you have been enjoying all this, you haven't subscribed, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the icon. Yes, so the bell icon, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again, and bye-bye.